Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Lucky Nadi.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a
So today we are heading to the Sequoia National Park in California, which is the home to the largest trees in the world. But before that, let me take you back to the last night where we stayed at a cozy little motel about 2.5 hours away from the park. So this morning we hit the road and wow, what a drive! It's such a different vibe from the city life in California. The landscape stretched out endlessly with massive farmlands, and I was genuinely surprised by how much agriculture there is here, especially cherry farms everywhere. California is actually the leading producer of cherries in the US, but it's not just cherries. California produces over a third of the country's vegetable and 2/3 of its fruits and nuts. So this state is truly a breadbasket of America. And guess what? We also drove past huge oil fields. Wow! Did you know California is one of the top oil producing states in the US? These oil fields, especially around the Central Valley, have been a key part of California's history since the 19th century. As we moved along, I couldn't get enough of the scenery. Rolling hills, golden fields, it felt like a movie. Finally, we got close to the park, but here's the surprising part. Even as we approached, there weren't many trees around. The landscape was dry and rugged, which was totally not what I expected for the place known for the largest trees in the world. Anyway, let's move forward. Of course, we had to stop by the Sequoia National Park welcome sign for some pics, because you know, pics or it didn't happen. Then we continued driving into the park. I kept looking around, expecting these massive trees to pop out nowhere. But no, still not much. But as we climbed higher into the mountains, things started to change. The trees grew taller. Then, boom, we spotted our first baby sequoias. That's when I knew the giant forest was just around the corner. We kept climbing and finally we reached the big tree trail. You guys, I can't even describe how excited I was. It's December, so it was super cold.
ये नदिया का पानी सुनाए मुझे तेरी मेरी कहानी.
And then, oh my god, I saw them, the giant sequoias. And there was snow everywhere. Some spots was icy, so we had to walk carefully.
ये बारिश की बूंदें.
These ancient trees are massive, taller and wider than you can imagine. By volume, they are the largest trees in the world. And the most famous of them all is General Sherman. This tree isn't just the biggest in the park, it's the largest tree on the earth by volume, standing at 275 feet tall and over 36 feet in diameter. And get this, it's estimated as more than 2,500 years old.
ये बारिश की बूंदें, ये नदिया.
I was so happy to take some amazing pictures among these giants.
कहानी थी सूरज की किरणों में रातों की रानी.
Seriously, I felt like a tiny ant in an ancient kingdom. Just thinking about how this forest must have looked thousands of years ago gave me chills. Sadly, only a few of these giant trees are left today. They have survived wildfires, storms, and so much more over these centuries. You can actually see burn scars on many of them, proof of their resilience. But it also makes me feel a little sad about how fragile these natural wonders are. As the day wrapped up, we started heading towards our next destination, the iconic Yosemite National Park. It's going to be a long drive, but I can't wait to show you guys that beautiful place too. Before leaving, we caught this beautiful sunset from the top of the mountains in Sequoia National Park. I couldn't help but pause and take the beauty. The colors were amazing and nature is so beautiful.
सुनाए मुझे तेरी मेरी कहानी थी सूरज की किरणों में रातों की रानी. सुनाए मुझे बस तेरी ही कहानी. ये बारिश की बूंदें, ये नदिया का पानी सुनाए.
After hours on the road, we finally reached our motel near Yosemite. The Yosemite Inn, it's cozy spot with breakfast included, which is always a plus. Some motels don't offer that, so it's nice when they do. And it's super dark outside now, but I bet the view here will be amazing in the morning.
ये बारिश की बूंदें, ये नदिया का पानी सुनाए मुझे तेरी मेरी कहानी थी सूरज की किरणों में रातों की रानी. सुनाए मुझे बस तेरी ही कहानी.
I unpacked my essentials. Yes, even though they provided some toiletries, I always bring my own.
ये नदिया का पानी सुनाए मुझे तेरी मेरी कहानी। सूरज की किरणों में रातों की रानी सुनाए मुझे बस तेरी ही कहानी।
Now it's time to get some rest because tomorrow is another big day. And thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. I am so excited to take you along to Yosemite National Park in the next episode. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this adventure. See you next time, adventures.